Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are discussing the topic that is universe age. Basically, minimum people basically their age are basically 1 lakh. Then basically here we are discussing that basically in India basically this many population basically are there, and one person told that basically we can give one person few people basically their age basically are 90,000 year in Earth planet, basically in Earth planet. So one of the person told that basically Earth planet basically can give this generation, basically currently which is ongoing, and my generation is not there basically in this basically. In this basically my generation is not there. So 90,000 basically people which is ongoing, they told that basically sorry currently which is ongoing the 90,000 year basically. In this basically the current generation told that basically we can give you 1 month basically. And in this basically how basically the Indian governments are, then the one of the person told the Indian governments are basically they are going to finish their for example their child only basically are going to finish their father basically. How basically how basically you told basically. Then he told that basically for example you have a habit of fucking. Then he told that yes basically there basically they take the sperm, and then basically they use the sperm basically, and then basically they get the birth basically. Like this basically what they do, they fire that particular person through their child only basically. This is India government basically. So that Indian government told that basically we can give you 1 month basically. That Indian government, just example which I have given, that Indian government. So on last day of world, these people will be going to play main role basically. One person told that basically यही लोग तो तेरे को नहीं मारेंगे. Just taking as an example, actually I told what Indian government in that actually. In really basically nobody has used my sperm basically. So he told that basically this is actually Indian government, and one of the person told that basically these people are going to play main role basically on last day of world basically. On last day condition, these people are going to play main role. So government told that basically they will. Government actually thought that basically we will kill that particular person through his sperm only basically. But actually it's revert basically. These groups are going to play main role basically. One person told that basically यही लोग तो तेरे को नहीं मारेंगे. Just taking as an example basically how basically Indian government are. So they told that ये मतलब these people are going to kill you. Then he told that basically that basically need to check basically whether these people are only going to kill me or basically. Then one of the person told that basically this condition long before it was set, no basically. Long before the condition of the brown color are set, long before basically. The government only set the basically condition. Government actually what tried basically, they tried that basically they will kill that particular person but with the help of their sperm generation only basically. That is the child which is going to happen, but that actually generated the brown condition actually. That was the brown condition only basically. That actually government has not tracked basically. Here the government failed, and brown color is 100% going to happen. Mark my words. So India target 90,000 year plus 1 month. They told that basically they will give you 1 month basically. In this basically Indian government exists not exist, that basically the group basically who have created the 90,000 year, they will decide whether they have to take the Indian government or not basically. So if take, then basically then just see basically. Then basically one of the person told that list equal to task, positive task and negative task basically. And in this basically all death basically in Earth planet are equal to set of words combination 900 crore population of Earth planet basically. So one of the person told that basically each and every people basically in this world they will die just within 1 second basically. How basically? That is through this. That is through how basically? Through this. Through satellite and name. Name of the satellite basically. So this basically person who are basically is controlling the satellite, he is going to finish the entire world just within second. Within, not only within second but millisecond basically, I am telling you. That also within millisecond basically, without any damage in this world basically. So one of the person told that basically, who is that person here basically? Then he told that he can be any person basically. He is not Aryabhatta basically. That is 100% sure basically. But one of the person told that Aryabhatta exists. Then he told yes, no basically. Aryabhatta is also there. Aryabhatta is also there basically. The history never ends basically. That is the rule of universe basically. And they will never change the rule basically. They are never going to change the rule basically. They are never going to change the rule basically. That is 100% sure basically. So rule will never be going to change, and these satellite groups are going to end this (900 crore) population basically of the Earth planet with the help of this set of words combination. So one of the person told that basically, which kind of word basically they are going to send here basically, because now basically I am also afraid basically. So I am planning to do more basically. What basically more? What more basically? Instead of 100 basically, I am planning 200. Instead of 100 basically, I am planning 200. So 200 plus 200, 400. Then one of the satellite person told that just give me the control basically, I will clear it everything basically. He told that basically, give me the control, I will clear everything basically. So one of the person told that कौन सा satellite है यार basically, which satellite is basically. Then one of the person told that basically sun moon exist. Then one of the person told that no यार basically sun moon तो नहीं है basically. Then why the people are telling that ये देखो sun, see basically that is moon. Then why people are telling that basically? Because in front of the world basically they have told that basically this is moon and this is sun. So whatever things basically the system has told them basically, that all are basically wrong. Just to keep the control of the universe basically, they have told that basically, that you can see, yeah, that I can see, that is sun basically, that is moon basically. So person basically who understand basically there is no like sun, there is no like moon, that only those group basically who actually knows basically the earth planet task basically, what actually the earth planet task is ongoing basically, that is collecting the power of the earth planet current generation, and they are going to generate the little bit light basically in the earth planet basically. So it's very dangerous basically, and this is very dangerous basically. That's why basically the earth planet basically can end within millisecond basically. That's why they have kept this satellite also basically. That's why they have kept this satellite, that basically in future basically, if by chance the any of the light basically will create problem, any of the generation light basically, that generation will end within second basically. That's why one of the person told that instead of 100 basically I will keep 200, that's okay. Then one of the person told that yaar, you are doing 100 200 basically, when you are going to do basically, when you are going to solve this problem basically, which problem basically, this problem, which problem, just a minute, I will tell which problem basically, this problem basically.